Right, congratulations. Good win. Nice way to finish the round-robin phase for your team.
Yeah, it was very important for us to finish this game on a high. New Zealand is a very, very good team, and they've been playing really good cricket, in the recent past. So it was very important for us to get that result. Played a perfect cricket today.
Scoring, what did you make of the score at the halfway stage, and how well a couple of you guys, I mean, that partnership with Akshar and Shreyas in particular?
Yeah, it was important at that stage after losing 3 wickets in the power play, and then we knew we had to get a partnership or two to get us a good total. And I thought the total that we got was good enough total for us to work it out. We've got quality in our bowling, that can defend that total. We had that confidence, and then the bowlers really stepped up and got the job done.
Inspirational selection of Varun Chakravarti. How did that come about? How did the conversation go?
No, look, he's got something different about him. There's no doubt about it. So we just wanted to try and see what he can offer. And we saw he's got a lot to offer. Obviously, we got to think a little bit about what we want to do in the next game. Obviously, it's a good headache to have. But yeah, Varun was class today. If he gets it right, it's very difficult to read him.
And how important for you to go into that semi-final against Australia on the back of another win and just some momentum and keep that confidence going?
No, absolutely. I think it's very, very critical when you're playing such a short tournament. You try and possibly win every game that is there in front of you and try and do everything right. While doing that, there are bound to be mistakes made, but as long as you correct them quickly, that is what matters. And I thought the mistakes that we've been making from game 1 to now, we tend to, correct those mistakes, and that is what is, required. And that is where your team is going up rather than going down. You try and verify what exactly is going wrong and try and correct those mistakes.
It's your old friends Australia next up. What are you expecting?
Yeah, no, it's going to be a good game. Obviously, Australia, we know, has a rich history of playing ICC tournaments well. We do understand that. It's about us, what we want to do against an opposition and try and do that right. It'll start from ball 1, thinking about that particular game. We just have to be focused on what we need to do on that particular day. As you said, it's going to be a great contest. We all are looking forward to that. Hopefully, we can stitch one towards us.
All right, good to see the team go so well tonight. Congratulations. Thanks
Thank you.
for your time.